Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the 8th wonder of the world. I'm going to talk about the announcement given by our finance minister on Friday, and in this video I'm going to mention a list of companies which will benefit from this big reform. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications from this channel. Comment below about your opinion on all these companies. On Friday, our finance minister announced a downward revision of the corporate tax rate for the domestic companies to restore economic development and investment. Another provision has been put in the Income Tax Act with effect from the financial year 2019-20. The finance minister, in a surprising move, slashed corporate rate tax by 10%. Effective rate as of now remains at 25.17%, including the surcharge and cess. So any domestic company have an option to pay income tax at this rate. In addition, such companies are not being required to pay minimum alternate tax. I consider this to be perhaps the greatest change in a couple of decades. Along these lines, the lower tax rate would result in up to 15% rise in the company's earnings. But if the company chooses this option, they will not avail any exemption or incentives like tax holidays or SEZ benefits, that is special zone economic benefits. It is important to read the management report of the companies to know more details when the company releases their financial reports. So now I'm going to mention a list of companies which will benefit from this reform. There are many other companies which I will discuss in the future, mostly covering small and mid-cap companies benefiting from this reform. The first company is HDFC Bank. This belongs to the financial sector and it is in the banking industry. It's currently trading at 1199.60, PE of 29.78, 1 year change of 22.32%, PB of 4.22, 52-week high of 1251.65, 52-week low of Rs 942.50. The stock was split during the last week. This is the large cap stock. So let me give a brief understanding of what PB value means and what it indicates. So any value under 1 is considered to be a good PB value. It indicates a potential undervalued stock. However, value investors often consider stocks with a PB value under 3. Thus, a low PB ratio means that the stock is backed up by sellable assets, whereas a high PB probably means the investors have high expectations from the company. We use this ratio to find how expensive a company's stock is. It provides a very limited information for some industries with hidden assets. So use this ratio just as a reference. The second company is Federal Bank. It belongs to the financial sector and it belongs to the banking industry. It is currently trading at Rs 94.75, PE of 13.80, 1 year change of 26.15%, PB of 1.38, 52-week high of Rs 110.40, 52-week low of Rs 67.05. ICICI Bank. It belongs to the financial sector. Banking industry. It's currently trading at 417.50, PE of 50, 1 year change of 30.08%, PB of 2.51%, 52-week high of Rs 443.90, 52-week low of 294.80. Ultratech. It belongs to the construction sector. Industry type is cement. Price 4,269.65, PE of 38.92, 1 year change of 5.41%, PB of 3.96, 52-week high of Rs 4,904.95 and 52-week low of Rs 3,260.45. ACC. It belongs to the construction sector. Industry type is cement. It's currently trading at Rs 1,633.85, PE of 17.60, 1 year change is 10.47%, PB of 2.79, 52-week high of Rs 1,769.05, 52-week low of Rs 1,322.55. JK Cement. Sector construction. Industry type is cement. Currently trading at Rs 1,086.15, PE of 19.52, 1 year change of 38.89%, PB of 2.79, 52-week high of Rs 1,769, 52.05, 52-week low of rupees 1322.55. GAIL India. It belongs to the energy sector. Industry type is crude oil and natural gas. Currently trading at rupees 134.50. PE of 10.03. 1 year change a negative of minus 29.94. PB of 1.27. 52-week high of rupees 197.28. 52-week low of 119.50. Mahindra and Mahindra. It belongs to the automobile sector. Industry type cars and multi-utility vehicles. It is trading at rupees 568.90, PE of 12.01, 1 year change of a negative return of minus 40.05%, PB of 1.95, 52-week high of rupees 976.50, 52-week low of rupees 502.55. Ashok Leyland. It belongs to the automobile sector. Industry type is commercial vehicles. It's currently trading at rupees 69.20, PE of 11.78, 1 year change of 18.49%, PB of 2.38, 52-week high of rupees 128.50, 52-week low of rupees 56.95. Hero Motocorp. It belongs to the automobile sector. Industry type is 2 and 3 wheelers. It is currently trading at rupees 2862.90, PE of 15.34, 1 year change of a minus of 9.23%, PB of 4.06, 52-week high of rupees 3380, 52-week low of rupees 2225.60. TVS Motor. It belongs to the automobile sector. Industry type is 2 and 3 wheelers. It's currently trading at rupees 424.70, PE of 30.31, 1 year change of a minus 29.12%, PB of 5.78, 52-week high of rupees 604.70, 52-week low of rupees 33.25. Escorts. It belongs to the automobile sector. Industry type is auto ancillaries. It is currently trading at rupees 567.65, PE of 15.52, 1 year change of a negative return of 21.75%, PB of 2.24%, 52-week high of rupees 833.90, 52-week low of 423.55. Hindustan Unilever. It belongs to the FMCG sector. Industry type is cosmetics and toiletries. It's currently trading at rupees 1969.75, PE of 68.09, 1 year change of 19.59%, PB of 45.41, 52-week high of rupees 1992, 52-week low of rupees 1477.20. Colgate Palmolive. It belongs to the FMCG sector. Industry type is cosmetics and toiletries. It's currently trading at rupees 1397.20, PE of 50.34, 1 year change of 25.24%, PB of 23.58, 52-week high of rupees 1406.25, 52-week low of rupees 1018. Britannia. It belongs to the FMCG sector. Industry type is bakery and milling products. Currently trading at rupees 2867, PE of 59.81, 1 year change of a negative of minus 3.79, PB of 15.37, 52-week high of rupees 3313, 52-week low of rupees 2300. Kalpatru Power. It belongs to the construction sector. Industry type is infrastructure. Currently trading at 417.45, PE of 17.76, 1 year change of 44.03%, PB of 2.21, 52-week high of rupees 554.50, 52-week low of 269 rupees. KEC International. It belongs to the engineering sector. Industry type is power projects. It's currently trading at rupees 275.30. PE of 14.19. 1 year change a negative of minus 10.34%. PB of 2.80. 52-week high of rupees 340.95. 52-week low of 230 rupees. ABB. It belongs to the engineering sector. Industry type is switching equipment. 1409. PE of 75.68. 1 year change a negative of minus 2.09. PB of 7.22. 52-week high of 1670. 52-week low of rupees 1190. Mahanagar Gas. It belongs to the energy sector. Industry type is crude oil and natural gas. Currently trading at rupees 892.60. PE of 14.99. 1 year change of 7%. PB of 3.43. 52-week high of 1069.25. 52-week low of 754.15. Indra Prastha Gas. It belongs to the energy sector. Industry type is crude oil and natural gas. Currently trading at rupees 339.30. PE of 28.60. 1 year change of 32.32%. PB of 5.45. 52-week high of rupees 350.80. 52-week low of rupees 212.20. Gujarat Gas. It belongs to the chemical sector. Industry type is industrial gases. Currently trading at 174.15. PE of 22.64. 1 year change is 27.65%. PB of 4.91. 52-week high of rupees 194.45. 52-week low of rupees 115. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications from this channel. This content is intended to be used and must be used for educational purposes only. Please do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances and consult your financial advisor.